Mega GMs, happy Wednesday to you. Well, the marketplace wars are raging on, and now Rarible's weighing in saying they're going to enforce royalties. They're going to block listings from OpenSea and X2Y2. It's getting spicy out there. We'll get into that, but first, an NFT market update, starting with the Forkast 500, where we can see we're down again 0.73%. Traders right now are taking whatever liquidity they can get. They're trading at a loss still significantly. Zooming out, you see at 7 days, we're down 7%. At 30 days, a whopping 14%. Now look at 60 days, down 21%. So it accelerated this month. Clearly, we all know this, right? It was OpenSea that really lit this fire. Last point here, zooming out to year to date, we're down 44%. Now keep this in mind. Last year, from the start of the year till the end of the year, the market lost over 75% of its value, meaning we have much further to fall, possibly another 30% or more. Now, global sales, nothing really surprising here. Just over $13 million in secondary sales yesterday. Total transactions fell below 400,000. Average sales prices increased to $35, and trade profits continue to fall. Sellers still on the losing end of trades. The past 4 days in a row, right around $2 million a day. It's not what you want to see, but again, this tells us people are selling their NFTs for big losses. Quick look now at the top NFT collections. Bored Apes, D-Market, Mutant Apes, Cross the Ages again, DraftKings, Sorare, The Captains, CryptoPunks, D-Gods, and Play NFT. Cross the Ages, it's a card game on Immutable X. They had a new expansion and pack sale last week. Those sold out, and now you're seeing secondary markets take over. These are individual card sales, $4, $2. Here's a $99 card, right? And in a bear market like this, that's super sustainable. Last point here, really on the market itself. Most of the declines we're seeing now are from wash trades. NFT stats pointed out that 75% of most of the major collections, those NFTs haven't even been traded this year. That other 25% is the wash trades. If times get tougher, if people get desperate, they're gonna list those NFTs and they're gonna take huge losses on this, driving average prices down, driving profits down. It will get very, very ugly. Now, you may remember Nathan Chastain, former OpenSea employee, accused of insider trading. He was involved with getting projects listed on OpenSea. He would buy the NFTs before their listing. Once they went live on site, he'd list his NFTs, he'd sell, he made some money. Well, Nathan was found guilty and he was sentenced now 3 months in jail and then 3 months of home confinement, $50,000 fine, and he has to return the 15th profit he made. Now, we're watching the royalty wars play out, and here's Rarible's take on it. I actually like this. I respect it. Also, I don't think it moves the needle one way or another, but now it's time for collectors and creators to put their money where their mouth is. And what I mean by that is they're enforcing royalties. They're no longer going to aggregate NFT listings from OpenSea, LooksRare, or X2Y2, platforms that don't enforce royalties. Instead, now you're mostly going to see just Rarible native NFTs. And if creators feel strongly that royalties are necessary, they're going to mint on Rarible. They're going to partner with Rarible. And the same goes to collectors. If they believe royalties must be enforced, they better shop on Rarible and nowhere else. Now, quickly onto another marketplace, not a royalty discussion, but Magic Eden, known for being the biggest marketplace over on Solana, they're now partnering with Polygon to make an incubator program. $1 million is being put aside for creators to help foster creativity and innovation over on Polygon. It's always a good thing to see these major platforms and blockchains supporting their creators and really betting on themselves. Now, a little fun news to end on. Snoop Dogg is putting out some Bored Ape themed sneakers, collabing with Skechers. Look at these bad boys. They're pretty darn cool. And I've said this before, I really love sneaker collabs with NFT projects. For some reason, they just fit. I can't say it's bringing a lot of innovation other than what CloneX does with sneakers you can assemble via parts you get from NFTs, but I think the general collab between sneakers and NFT projects just speaks to the type of collectors that are in this space and where you have some crossover. Clearly, NFT collectors seem to be sneakerheads, so you found a product market fit. You know what? I love this. I might just get a pair. And here's the thing. They're not even token gated. They're just up on Skechers' site. Most of them are sold out, but there is the primary pair that is still for sale. $100 gets you these cool sneakers. Overall, kind of an unremarkable day in NFTs. You have fun news like the Snoop Dogg shoes. Then you have the flip side, which is the Nathan Chastain prison sentence. If you got Rec League NFTs last week, those are revealing tomorrow. So fingers crossed. I hope you get the legendary or the Yuga box. That's the highest tier. And of course, that's where you're going to find the most expensive NFTs on the secondary markets, the Yuga themed assets. And you didn't even need to own a Yuga Labs asset to have a chance at that. It's just the rare version that anyone who bought will have a shot at getting. And with that, there's your news. There's your market update. I'll be back tomorrow again with the same. We'll see what's happening in the NFT market. We'll talk about the latest happenings across the NFT space. And remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see you.